You know, there's a lot of junk mail in the back, Bob.
Shred the junk mail and save time, is that what you reckon?
No. Maybe we don't have to hand deliver it all today.
Geez, Beck, if I'm going to break the regulations, why don't I just shoot the Minister for Communications and be done with it?
Is that the target's up ahead?
Got your mail here, digger?
No, Bob.
What's the go? Float.
Problem with the creek water. 2 dead. Have to shoot another couple.
What problem?
Muck. Stinks like one of the old weed sprays.
Yeah, been a spill. Same thing happened back in '89, I remember.
You got a sat phone, Ed?
I called Land and Environment. The creek's still got a fair bit of water in it too.
No, I want to call Drovers. They're downstream from here.
In the ute. Knock yourself out.
Right. Ow. Damn boots. Well, I hope the maggots eat you alive, you stupid sheep. Move it. What are you looking at, Roy? Come on, Tess, pick up.
Hello, Becky?
Stock along the creek, get them out of there and get them into the yard.
Why? What's happened?
Some chemical, I don't know what, but it's killing the stock off Stone Dead.
Yeah, but I'm here on my...
I'll be there as soon as possible. Follow the creek.
Becky!
Tess, as soon as possible. Meg will know what to do. You gotta take me home, Bob.
What? It's 2 hours back to Drover's Run. I've got a job to say.
I've got to get back. They need me.
See you, Ed. No, you've got problems of your own to sort out. Family problems.
Come on, Oscar, let's go.
So, how's my little wifey then,
You're getting along with Mr. Johnson all of a sudden. Very chummy.
Well, I asked him about artificial horsey bits. Always a good icebreaker.
I mean, he insulted me, but you're happy to be best of mates with the bloke.
He didn't insult you, Claire.
He implied I couldn't drive. He almost accused me of bankruptcy, and he said we were married. In front of everyone.
Gee, that last one must have hurt a bit.
Well, at least you set him straight. You set him straight.
The topic didn't come up. Oh, it was a big deal, tell him yourself.
Good boy, come on. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. Ryan! Come on, Ryan! Good boy. Get up. Good boy. Come on. Right! Right! Hey! Hey! Come on! Hey! Hey! I don't understand what you're getting at, Bob.
You took my head off at the neck last time I mentioned the Howards. I'm not going to be the one to put Mark back inside.
This isn't a game.
Well, you work it out for yourself. It's all there now. We saw him at the Butler farm.
Yeah, taking a shortcut.
There's only one road into Butler's place, and that doesn't go anywhere.
So what's there?
Wow. Let's see now. There's empty house, empty paddock, And the creek.
And the creek runs all over the place. Okay, the guy they're working for, Ron...
Ron Sanders, now you're getting there.
Yeah, I've never heard of him.
Well, every year Ron does the annual chemical pickup for the properties in this area. You know, the old DDT and whatever.
That stuff goes out to Wanparee, and Wanparee's like 4 hours from here. And last time we saw the empty truck, it was... after Butler's farm.
It's up to you, Beck. I can take you to the police at Gungahlin.
Shawnee's with him.
Oh. Maybe it was an accident after all. You'd know best what Mark's like.
Yeah. A waste of space like me.
Back again. He's got another load.
Stop the van, Bob. Bob, stop the van!
What's with the road warrior crap?
You're kidding. You could have got yourself killed!
I'm gonna go back.
Back? What are you playing at?
I'm not gonna let Shawnee go down with him.
Oh, you're going to make me very late.
Oh, you're always late, Bob. Get over it.
Oh, whatever do you say, Becky? My pleasure. I'll just tell my boss I couldn't put a watch on. What do you reckon?
Hi! 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 Come on, Oscar. Hello there. Come on out, you get. Pretty cold. Come on. Here we go. Oh! Oh, God! Come on! Come on. Out you get. It's poison in here. Good little. Whew. Come on, Oscar.
You know something about all of this. Spit it out.
You lost stock, so you're out of pocket.
Too right I am.
Okay, it's about business then. You want your money.
You're going to sell me insurance. Good luck.
The truck that's doing the chemical pickups.
Ron Sanders. Ron's no dumper.
It's not Ron this year. It's my brother.
I get you. Well, I'll call the cops. You can stay out of it. No one will know.
No cops. We can do this ourselves. What have you lost?
Forehead.
So we're talking, what, $4,000? I reckon he's got it on him. Just no cops, please.
Business.
You know the old Butler place?
Yeah, that'll be right.
Give me 10 minutes. I need a head start.
Drovers Run. Are they okay out there?
I don't know yet.
So how are you going to repay Claire McLeod?